Welcome back students in your math class. I hope you all are fine and safe at home and enjoying your e-learning classes. Today we are going to learn polynomials. Yes, polynomials. So what is the polynomials? Let's see what is the polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression. Yes. Polynomial is an algebraic expression with non-zero coefficient and non-negative exponent. Means exponent should be whole number. Yes, exponent should be whole number is called polynomial. In other words, we can say if px is equal to an algebraic expression, px is equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 2 plus minus 1 will be there, a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on, a1 x plus a1x plus a0. Okay, so this is the polynomial. This is called the polynomial. Means this type expression is called polynomials, where a1, a2 and so on, an minus 1 and an are constant. This an minus 1, an minus 2, a1, a0, these are the a0 also you can write there, are constant. Okay, and an x power n, an x power n, an minus 1 x power n minus 1 and so on, these are called the terms. These are called the terms, and an is the coefficient of x power n, an minus 1 is the coefficient of x power n minus 1. So let's see what is the terms, what is the coefficient. So for example, first see more example. 2x is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. X square plus 2x. It is also in the form of an minus x, an into x power n, an minus 1 x power n minus 1. This is in the form of that. X cube plus 4x minus x square plus 7. This is also polynomials. Where 2x, x square plus 2x, x cube plus 4x minus x square plus 7 are the polynomials. Like that, more example is there. Let me know. X upon 2 plus 1 upon x is a polynomial. X upon 2 plus 1 upon x is polynomial. No. Why? Because we may write x upon 2 plus 1 upon x as x upon 2 plus x power minus 1. So the coefficient of exponent of x power minus 1, that exponent is minus 1, that is negative. Is minus 1 whole number? No, it is not a whole number. That is why this is not a polynomial, because in definition you have to write a non-negative exponent. Means non-negative whole number, that would be a whole number, positive whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers is always positive, so that would be whole numbers only. Understood? Thus, in a polynomial, let's learn with example. In a polynomial x square plus 2x, the expressions x square and 2x, x square and 2x are called the terms of the polynomial x square plus 2x. X square is a polynomial and 2x also, x square is a terms and 2x also is a terms. Okay, here an x power minus 1 a terms, an minus 1 x power n minus 1 is also a term. Understood? For example, in the polynomial x cube plus 4x minus x square plus 7 has 4 terms. How many terms is there? 4 terms. How many terms is there? 4. 1 terms, 2 terms, 3 terms and 4 terms. These terms is separated by plus or minus sign only. It is not separated by multiplication or division. Okay, so x cube is a term, 4x is a term, minus x square is a term, plus 7 is a term of this this polynomial. Okay, so how many terms is there? How many terms is there? 4 terms. It's clear? Okay. Now coefficient. Coefficient, each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. For example, in polynomial x square minus x square plus 4x cube plus 7x minus 2, there are 4 terms. 1 terms, 2 terms, 3 terms and 4 terms. So what is the coefficient of x square? So coefficient of x square is minus 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 1, right? And coefficient of x cube, this is 4x cube is a term, no? Yes, 4x cube is a term. So coefficient of x cube is 4. Coefficient of x cube is 4 and coefficient of x is 7. So and minus 2 is the coefficient of x0, because we can write minus 2 as x power minus 2 x power 0. As we know that x power 0 is 1. In first lesson I will learn exponent and power. So if the power of 0, so its value is 1. So minus 2x is power 0. So what is the coefficient of x0? X power 0, that is minus 2. Okay. Suppose that we have to give an example. 5x cube plus 3 upon 2x minus 2. So ask the question, write its term and coefficient. So terms, first you have to write the terms. So how many terms is there, students? 3 terms. Okay, 1 terms, 2 terms and 3 terms. As you know that terms are separated by plus and minus sign only. Okay, it is not separated by division and multiplication sign. So 5x cube is a 1 term. First 5x cube, second term 3 upon 2x, 3 upon 2x, and the third term is minus 2. So and you have to write the coefficient of each terms. So what is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube is minus 5. Clear? Sorry, plus 5. First that is plus 1. So coefficient of x cube is 5 and coefficient of x is 3 upon 2. Coefficient of x is 3 upon 2 and minus 2 is the coefficient of x0. Minus 2 is the coefficient of x0. So minus 2 is the coefficient of x power 0. Okay, it's clear. Now constant polynomial. Constant polynomials minus 2, 5, 7, etc. These all are called the constant polynomial. Okay, and the constant polynomial 0 is called the 0 polynomial. 0 is also a constant polynomial. If anybody asks you 0 is a polynomial, yes, 0 is a polynomial. Which type polynomial? This is a constant polynomial and this is called the 0 polynomial. So 0 is a constant polynomial. This is called 0 polynomial. It's clear? Yes, 0 polynomial. Now we have to consider some algebraic expressions like 1 upon x plus x, root x plus 3. Are these expressions are polynomial? Let me know. Are these expressions are polynomial? Yes? Tell me. Yes or no? Students, first we have to check its coefficient. So in the expression 1 upon x plus x, we may write 1 upon x as x power minus 1 plus x. Show the coefficient, exponent of x power minus 1 is minus 1. This is a terms now. So what is the exponents of x power minus 1? That is minus 1. Is minus 1 whole number? No, minus 1 is not whole number. If minus 1 is not whole number, it means the expression 1 upon x plus x is not a polynomial. Like that, root x plus 3. So root x plus 3, we may write root x plus 3 as x power 1 upon 2 plus 3. So what is the exponent of x? Exponent of x is 1 upon 2. Is 1 upon 2 whole number? Yes? No. No. 1 upon 2 is not a whole number. It means root x plus 3 is not a polynomial. It's clear? I hope it's clear. Okay? Yes. Next topic is there, degree. So degree of the polynomial. The highest power of variable in a polynomial. the highest power of variable in a polynomial is called degree of that polynomial. Okay, here given that we call the highest power of the variable in a polynomial as the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Yes, degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. So what is non-zero constant polynomial? Non-zero constant polynomial like 5, 2, 3, -1, -5, 3 upon 2, etc. These all are non-zero constant polynomial. These all are constant, but it is non-zero. Okay, so degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Yes. Okay, but how we find the degree of the given polynomial? Suppose that first example is given there, 5 power 5 y power 7 minus x power 6 plus x plus 9. So what is the degree of this polynomial? This is a polynomial, no? Yes, this is polynomial. So highest power is there. 6 is highest power or 7? 6 is highest or 7? 7, na? So what is the degree of this polynomial? 7. 7 is the degree of this polynomial. Okay, and suppose that we have to written more example, x 6 y power 5, okay, plus x power 10 plus 3 upon 2x minus 5. So what is the degree of this polynomial? This is also polynomial. It's clear. This is also polynomial. So what is the degree of this polynomial? 10 or 6 or 5? Tell me. 10, 6 or 5? So first we will add the power of the variables of the terms. So in first terms there are two variables, x and y. So when we will add them, so what we get? 6 plus 5, 11. 6 plus 5, 11. Yes. So in first term, so there are 11, and in second term x power 10 and 3 upon 2x minus 5. So 10 is greater or 11? Yes, 10 is highest power or 11? 11, na? So what is the degree of this polynomial? So its degree is 11. Okay, now the degree of the polynomial this. What is the degree of the polynomial? 5yx power 8 minus x power 6y cube minus x plus 3. Yes. So what is the degree of this? Here 8 plus 1, that is 9. X power 6 and y power 3. So when we will add them, so 6 plus 3 9 and 8 plus 1 9. So both are equal. So what is the degree? 9. So degree of this polynomial 5y x power 8 minus x power 6 and y cube minus x plus 3 is 9, because when we add them 6 plus 3 that is 9, and when we add them 8 plus 1 that is also 9. So what is the degree? 9. Okay, now the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. As earlier I told to you, the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Okay, we observe the degree of constant non-zero polynomial is 0, and the degree of the polynomial this. What is the degree of the polynomial? Tell me. 5x power 8 minus x power 6 plus 9. So here 6 and there 8. 8 is highest power or 6 is highest power in the given polynomial? 8 is highest power now. So degree of the given polynomial is 8. Degree of this polynomial is. What is the degree of the polynomial 2? 2 is which type polynomial? 2 is constant polynomial, that is non-zero constant polynomial. So as we know that degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0, that means the degree of 2 is 0. The degree of 2 is 0. It's clear? Okay. So students, have you listened? Degree of the given polynomial and degree of the non-zero constant polynomial is 0. If the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0, then what is the degree of 0? Degree of a polynomial 0 means 0 is a constant polynomial which is called 0 polynomial. So what is the degree of 0? Means degree of zero polynomial. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Is not defined. Why it is not defined? Let's see. So suppose that we have to write a polynomial, zero polynomial, that is 0. So we may write 0 is equal to 0 into x power 0, or 0 x power 1, 0 x power 2, 0 into equal to 0 into x power 5, 0 into x power 9, 0 into x power 100, thousands. So it will be increases. So degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, degree of zero polynomial is not defined. It's clear? Okay. Okay. Now we are going to learn types of the polynomial: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Okay. So what is the linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is a polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. And in the linear polynomial, mostly means at most have two terms. Okay, for example 4x plus 5, 5y minus 3, etc. all are the linear polynomial. Why it is linear polynomial? Degree of 4x plus 5, its power is 1, so its degree is 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1, so it is called linear polynomial. Degree of this polynomial is also 1, so it is also called linear polynomial. Okay, if the degree of polynomial is 1, then that polynomial is called linear polynomial, and in a linear polynomial have at most two terms. Okay, not more than two terms, maybe one term. Suppose that 3x, this is a polynomial, 3x is a polynomial, so which type polynomial is this? This is a linear polynomial. Okay, and quadratic polynomials. In a quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, in a quadratic polynomials have at most 3 terms, hence the maximum terms will be there 3. 3x cube plus 5x minus 3. This is a polynomial. Sorry, there will be square. 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So this is a polynomial. Which type polynomial is this? Quadratic polynomial, because its degree is 2. Highest power of the variable in this polynomial is 2. So its degree is 2. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. And in second one, y square minus y plus 6. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Highest power of variable 2. Okay, so it is also quadratic polynomial. Like that, x square plus 5. This is quadratic polynomial. 1 upon 2 xy plus 3. This is also quadratic polynomial because its degree is 2. 1 and 1, that is 2. Okay, understood? Yes. Now cubic polynomial. In a cubic polynomial, a polynomial has degree 3. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial, and in a cubic polynomial have at most 4 terms. How many terms? 4 terms. For example, z cube minus 6x. Z cube minus 6x is a cubic polynomial because its degree is 3. Okay, and how many terms is there? 2 terms. And in second example, y cube minus 6y plus 3y square plus 6. This is a polynomial of degree 3, so this is called cubic polynomial, and the number of terms is there? 4 terms. How many terms is there? 4 terms. Like that, more example you can write of the cubic polynomial. Okay, and in previously I told to you and you learned. So a polynomial, zero polynomial is denoted by 0. Zero polynomial is denoted by 0, and the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. In previous slide you learned it. Okay. Thank you, students. In next class we will learn. Thank you, students. In next class we will learn zero of polynomial. Okay.